Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new Jira site to add various projects to it, like Kanban boards later and Scrum boards and so on and so forth, to work on them with your team members and on other projects. So we're going to show you how to create such a Jira site yourself. It is actually no rocket science, guys. So let us dive right into it. So in the first step, head over to Jira via atlassian.com, for example, and log into your account. So let me log in with my Google account. Alternatively, guys, you may use your Microsoft account. So let me log in really quickly. And there you go. Once you have signed in or logged in, guys, you'll be redirected to that window. So here you will be asked to enter the name for your site. Here, for example, you can, of course, rename it. You don't need to use these series of numbers here, but you can, I don't know, name it, for example, my site or my project or something like that, my team, etc., etc. And Atlassian will check if the given site name hasn't been taken yet. So within the free membership, guys, you can use up to 10 users, and you can do that. So that's basically it. And after that, click into continue here, wait for it to finish loading, and that's basically it. Now you may choose, for example, from a customizable template, for example, to get started for your first or with your first project, like Kanban, for instance, or Scrum board. So let me go with Scrum board, for example. Now, of course, inside your Jira site, you will be given the opportunity to create as many projects as you like and add them to your Jira site from various or different categories like IT, software development, bug reporting, etc., etc. So let me go with a simple Scrum board. Click into continue here. And after that, name your first project. So that's the default name. Let me rename it to my Scrum board, second Scrum board, because I have already created one. So click into get started here to create your first project. And after that, Atlassian, or to be more precise, Jira, will ask you to add issue types or work item types, as they are called nowadays. You may add later to your project to work on these with your team members, like features, tasks. Tasks may consist of subtasks later, for example, stories. Let me add also bugs, assets, and so on and so forth. You can change these later according to this information, which is true inside your project details, and add also other work item types to it, like subtasks, epics, sprints, and so on and so forth, guys. So click into next here, and last but not least, set a range of default statuses you would like to apply to your projects later, like, for instance, ideas, to do, in progress, in review, and done. As with the previous example, guys, you'll be given the opportunity to change and to customize these later, to add custom statuses to your projects and to assign them to your tasks and work items. So if you don't like these, guys, you may, for example, remove that one here and also that one. So let us stick with these three basic statuses: to do, in progress, as well as done. Or click into add status to add your own one, like, for example, under review or something like this. Click into finish to finalize this, and after that you will be automatically redirected to your Jira site. So let us give it a second and wait for it to finish loading. You will see that loading circle here, for instance, very mesmerizing. And yeah, that's basically it. Now in the first step, guys, let me just close that window here and switch to the dark mode. Let me find it. Let me click into that profile icon here in the top right corner and switch from light to dark theme, because I like it much more than, or much better than, that light theme. So guys, that's your first project here. So that's your Jira site. And here inside your Jira site, guys, you will be given access to these sections here on the left panel, like, for example, your project overview. We already created our first project during the Jira site setup, so you can access it here. But you can, as previously mentioned, create new projects simply by clicking into this button here. And here inside your project, you may navigate through various views or view types like backlog, board, and so on and so forth, or add more of these views by clicking into this button. So let me add also the archived work items view that is going to allow you to access, for example, work items or tasks you have already archived and completed, and also the all work view or reports. Simply click into add to navigation to the right to add it to your view. And that's basically it, guys. Here inside your project views, you'll be given the opportunity to create and to add various work items. For example, to your Scrum sprint, add a task type like a task, story, bug, asset, or add custom work item types by clicking into manage types here. But we discussed this in a different or separate tutorial, guys. Now, what you need also, guys, is switch between your Jira sites, because sometimes, at least in my case, whenever I log in into my Jira account here via Google or Microsoft, I get automatically redirected to that Jira customization or setup window I showed you just a moment ago, which may turn out to be pretty annoying because I have already created a good bunch of Jira sites, so I don't need to create a new Jira sites every time I log into my Google or Jira account via Google. So it's pretty annoying. So if you'd like to switch to another Jira site of yours, guys, inside your Atlassian account, what you need to do is click into your profile icon in the top right, click into profile here, wait for it to finish loading. And after that, let me just find it. There you go. Click into this button here in the top right. In the top left, switch sites or apps. And here, guys, you will see the drop-down menu. And there you go. As you can see, I've created already several of these Jira sites. So here, may navigate to another Jira site. Let me go with that one here. And that is going to open your Jira site in a new tab. So you can basically work on one Jira site through that tab, and on other Jira sites through other tabs. Simply open them in new tabs. And there you go. As you can see, I have already added more projects to that Jira site. So that's basically it. That's how you navigate through these Jira sites and how you create new Jira sites on Jira. Now, what if you want to log out of your Jira account, guys? It is actually very simple. Again, click into your profile icon in the top right. And you may, for example, switch to a different account by clicking into this button. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, you'll be given the opportunity to add another account or switch to it. Or if you'd like to log out, guys, simply click into log out here or in the top right corner and click into log out there. So let me do that really quickly. Log out of my Jira account or Atlassian account, and it is going to redirect me to that window here where you will be given the opportunity to re-log in to your accounts via Google, Microsoft, Apple, or an email address. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.